Hi Wolfpack, thank you for joining me here today. My name is CS Trades 101. This is Cameron Simpson joining you here today. How's everybody doing? How was everybody's long weekend? Mine was good. Very, very dead actually, but it was awesome having the time off. I had to do some work for you guys for the school. I had to do some teaching online. As you know that we do that on weekends. Hopefully you guys drank some beers for me and yeah, it's been beautiful. I've been watching this stock and overnight I've been up for a long time. Yeah, since 2 in the morning. Sorry about coughing in the mic like that. So let's jump on in here. I'm not a financial or a broker. This is for entertainment purposes only. So can you guys hear me loud and clear? If so, just hit a symbol on the chat. Anything. If you don't want to talk, just drop anything. Even an I, T, something. And I'm just going to continue until we see something on the chat. So anyways, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. And we are at $13.68, and that was at market. Now at pre-market, we're at 60. Oh, it just changed as soon as I said that. It went to $13.69. There you go. It went back up. We're bouncing between par and above, as you can see on the chart. So we got exactly 4 minutes before market opens. Let's just have a look here. Oh, a little stiff and sore today. Oh, this AMC, this podcast thing is just working me like a slave, but I don't care. The things I do for the wolf pack. But that's my obligations I signed up for, right? So, anyways, let's jump on in over here. Before the market opens, we're going to have a probably pretty good day today. The news has been hitting this hard. Okay? Do you have any questions? Insomnia. Yeah, right on. I like that message. Whoever, obviously you can hear me loud and clear. It is. It is. That's funny. Good sense of humor. Welcome to the channel. I haven't seen you here before. Maybe it's just the first time you hit the chat. So, anyways, I wanted to go over some things here. We had some serious consolidation. This is beautiful stuff here. That's what drove it up to the next levels at $13.88. And let's check out this buy analysis, the volume coming in here. Okay, this is not going to affect us right now because that's below us, okay? But these are levels of support, okay? Notice that we have way more bigger numbers on the buy, okay? That is huge. So if it dips, it's just going to crank it back up. It's going to keep on bumping it back up, okay? No worries, no worries. Okay, so everybody on the channel, as you know, you're probably here because you're going to be getting an SOS signal from me in your notifications. So make sure you got the bell turned on. And if you don't want me bugging you, because I do have substantial amount of content coming out constantly. A lot of tubers only do 1 or 2 podcasts a week. I'm a little bit different, okay? If it does get annoying, just take the bell off, okay? But put it on for this next couple weeks, okay? And then you can just turn it off, okay? And then you can just monitor my stuff and watch what you want to watch. Because we could be hitting a squeeze by Friday. As you know, nobody knows the actual date, okay? That's, if somebody says that, it's their BS, okay? I know that it's going to happen. I'm almost positive on that, but it all amounts on volume and a whole bunch of stuff. Like Wanda, like selling those stocks in the market. That's what dipped us a couple days ago, but there was full recovery. We ate those up like nothing, like nothing. It didn't even, it should have slumped this down to like $8. It didn't, okay? We chewed those up like Pac-Man, okay? And it went all to retail investors, okay? A little bit to shorts, hedgies, but not much. We smashed those right up. So anyways, what do we got? We got 30 seconds. Yeah, we're going to do this today. And we're in the green right now, 0.15% in the green. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, tick, 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 tick. Remember, if you're going to buy AMC, wait. Don't put your order in right now. Wolfpack's rules, and I just want you to get bit in the butt. It's going to be a flock of people coming in to buy right now. All those trading platforms are going to be dumping, okay? Like right now, okay? That price, and I don't want you to buy and then all of a sudden get hurt, okay? Here we go. Look at the volume. Wow. Holy crap. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, just let this level out. She's coming in hard. Really hard. Holy crow. Look at the frigging volume today. Wow, wow. We got to open this up a bit here. Let's have a look-ski. There we go. There we go. There we go. And thank you, everybody that's dropping in right now. We got a substantial amount of people logging on right now. We're hooked up. Reddit does not have a feed on this, so I'm watching everything on a separate platform right now. So we are linked up now to Reddit, Wall Street Breakers, Wall Street Bets. We have a whole bunch of stuff. Twitter, Facebook. We're all doing a feed right now. Okay, YouTube's they're separate, just so you're aware. Okay, so here we go. Wow, look at that, eh? We almost broke that line of resistance on the first thing. Wow. Excuse me. If you have any questions or anything, hit the chat. That's what it's there for, my friends. Okay, so what I wanted to do is blow this up a bit and get that back off of there like that. So what we want to do is the 1450. That is our magic number today. Okay, we can do it. We can hit that $14.50. That is a substantial number. After we hit that, everything's a breezy peasy. Okay. I just want to see how much volume. Whoa, 3.5 million almost shares were bought right there as soon as the market opened. Okay. Just let me have a look here. I'm just going to analyze here. Well, instead, I can talk to you guys too. I'm just checking out these order numbers just so I can make some assumptions here. I don't like to just blurt stuff out unless I know what I'm talking about here. Just let me read. Just let me go through the numbers. Okay, turnover. We've almost overturned to 1%. We've only been open 2 minutes. Yeah, 4.15 million shares have already friggin' the volume. That necessarily isn't just bought, okay? Just so you know that, okay? That's just moved, okay? Okay, I am going to be checking out some stuff. I want to get a pivot point here. And why isn't it not up there? Indicators. Okay, get off the screen. Okay, so that's that 1450 mark I was telling you about. Oh, they got a little bit different here. Yeah, it's 1450. We're calling it 1450. It's a better number. But that one is, yeah, it is 1450. That line right there. Yeah, it is. Okay, so they already have it on. Webull has already got that down there. I was waiting for them because I already know that's one of our lines that we need to break through. So we're going to take that off of there because it's very mind-boggling. And we're going to leave our MA and EMA lines. Just so you guys know, those are just indicators, okay? But they're really good indicators. Probably some of the best indicators out there. Those lines pull apart. It's a good sign. When they cross over, depends on which one crosses. It is a buy or a sell signal, okay? So I would wait before you buy anything just because you're going to be stuck in a queue, okay? And depends on who the platform is. You want this dump to finish here. Or else you could buy, as you probably have done in the past, bought stuff and then all of a sudden an hour goes by and you've lost a substantial amount of money. That's why. I've done it myself. I am very transparent. I've lost money doing that, substantial amount of money. I've done it 3 or 4 times until I caught on what was happening. Okay? Because a lot of people don't like telling you that stuff. We are very transparent here. Okie dokie. So, yes, we're breaking it. We're breaking it. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, that's what we hit yesterday. We just smashed through it. Yes, Wolf Pack. Yes, we're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Here comes the volume. Yeah. This is going to be the day. Oh, yeah. We're going to smash 1450 here. Holy Jesus Christ. Holy Jesus. Whoa. Wow. Holy crap. Holy crap. Sorry, I'm repeating myself. I'm blown away. Okay, I'm glad this is recorded, guys. This is awesome stuff. Oh, man, that's just one candlestick. Oh, we went from $13.88, tested out $14.13. We're getting a little bit of fight here, okay? That's the hedgies. Those are those goddamn hedgies that are fighting us. right now, but they're trying to ladder attack us right now. You can see how it's bouncing like that. They're speed trading right now. I'm 100% on that. Okay, I have videos on this. I'm the master at picking out ladder attacks. Okay, go check my archives out. This is awesome stuff. Yes, yes, yes. So we're at $14.09. We are 2.85%. Awesome stuff, guys. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to bop up that resistance again. Okay, we're pretty close. We're just over half. Okay, so I'm actually going to draw a line right now for everybody here because I'm curious myself. I'm going to hit it. I'm just going to wait till this candle stops moving before I do anything here. Remember I said if we get over 1450, there's a lot of options that are expiring in that. A lot of people are going to be screwed. Oh, come on. Oops, what am I doing here? Okay, something's going on here. What's going on with my friggin'... I'm going to try to extend a line. I don't know what's going on here. No idea. I'm not messing with this because... Oh, there we go. There it is. Ah! It's going to delete every line off there. Okay, sorry. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. I haven't had my first coffee yet. We're going to go off that, and then we're going to... There we go. Okay, we're going to lock that on there. Okay? There is the number. It's a little crooked, but we already know that that is it. Okay? 1420. Just let me have my cover. Amc Entertainment Holdings, for the people that are just coming on right now, that's the ticker symbol we're covering today. $14.06. We are smashing it today. We're at plus 3%. Straight across the friggin' board. And we're only 7 minutes in. It's going to be an interesting day today. Interesting day, guys. Wow, it's crazy when you have no sleep. 2 o'clock a.m. for this guy. I just had to cover a podcast on crypto. I found out why. A couple other people covered it too, but I kind of had a feeling the why the crypto crashed, and they call it a lot of things. Crash, consolidated, or found its limits, or what is the other one? There's a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, anyways, the reason why crypto did a dip in the market is because there's a lot of hedge funds that own crypto. They've been pushing it all over. If you see all those Facebook, Twitter, all those platforms, Reddit, that they're advertising crypto, right? Like big time pushing. A lot of it is scams. Okay, watch what you guys are doing if you're going to buy crypto. But notice that the crypto market went down, but then AMC went down too. Okay, because they were liquidating their stocks off and they collapsed the market. Okay, because they are pumping the crap out of crypto. They were. Now there's no commercials, maybe about 10%. Have you noticed? Because those commercials cost a lot of money, they've kiboshed them. Okay, so that's your take on that. There's a video right behind this one if you want to watch it. $14.09, positive 3.7%. We got a substantial amount of volume coming in here. Wow, look at this thing just pumping through here. Don't listen to this. Don't listen to this crap right here, okay? No balance. Yeah. Let's get off that. Yeah, sure. See that? Look at that. Here we go. Here we go. We just broke it. We just broke it. Yes. We're going to hit that 1450 right now. Come on. Come on. Beautiful stuff. Oh my God. Okay, Wolfpack is in the money right now. On our second lot of shares, we just started making money. We got caught in that tank. You know that, sorry, I'll do it this way. The tank, when it went down from $20 at 14, I thought I was doing good. I went and bought myself a $800 or 800 shares plus. It was $15,000 US. Okay. Then it collapsed. It collapsed bad down to like $8. Oh my God. I went from 15 grand down to 2 grand. It was not pleasant. So now that's only one lot of shares. So We are in the money now by like cents, but we are actually broke par. It took me 2 months of fear. Not, well, I shouldn't say fear mongering by other people. Here we go. Enough about that. And then the second lot is at $8.20. We're about $2,000 ahead in that one. Or no, a lie. No, I'm not. $1,000 ahead. So here we go. $14.32. We are 4.7% above in the green. In the green. What did I keep on doing to my frigging chart here, man? Get off there. This is really annoying me. I do have some other software out there that I'm going to start using because this thing's gone downhill. There we go. Okay. Yep, that's the line. We're bouncing on it right now. Resistance, level 1. Come on, baby. We just punched right through it like nothing. Okay, we're going to get that off there because it's confusing to a lot of people. We just did it. Come on. 1450. Come on. 1450. There's a lot of options expiring at 1450. Oh, they're going to fight like hell for this one. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. It's so young in the day, but I just want I want it to go past that level because we set a new standard, right? We just did it. We just did it. Okay, lock in. Bounce the candle over. Holy frig. I wish I could swear on here. I gotta stop it because I've been warned already by YouTube twice now. 1462, $6. I'm so excited I can't even say it. 6.8%. 6.80% now. We're at $14.61, 51, 58, 52. That's fine. That's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Bounce over and come on, take off again. There we go. Here, smash her up again. Wow. Beauty, beauty, beauty. We did it. We're already halfway through. We're going to hit support resistance level 1. Okay? We're way above our par and support. We're doing really good today. This is what I just did a podcast at 2 in the morning on this, and good, because I was a little worried when it hit the red before market opened. But look at the wave. Look at the friggin' volume coming in here today, guys. Holy Jesus. 16 million volume already and smashing it. Smashing it. We've already turned 3.58 or 3.60% already. And that's the whole pot. That could be anything. That could be selling, buying, all of it. Okay? It's just overturning the stock. And this is with Go shares, synthetic shares, phantom shares in the market. Wait until the 2nd or about the 5th before the thing's done. But yeah, this just is crazy. This is probably the best day we've had. I know we've had a lot of green days. We had 8 green days and then 2 red days and then the rest. But this is crazy. This is good stuff. Good stuff, guys. I'm very proud of you guys, for holding. Like, it's been hard, and a lot of fear mongering and a lot of media stuff's been saying sell, 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 sell. You guys owe it to yourselves. I want you to treat yourselves really good. When I give that signal, the SOS to obviously the squeeze, but when the sell, I want you to monitor your phones because it's going to be going in different stages. Okay, we're going to have a very, very wild ride. If you've looked into videos before, like the Volkswagen squeeze, it's all over. You can Google it. It's crazy. It's like waves on an ocean. Okay, so there's a lot of things people are going to be trying to sell. Take your sell limits off, guys. I know I say it every morning, every video, and I'm going to keep on saying it. Take your high sell limits off and watch. I wouldn't even put them on the bottom because what if it dips and your app sells? To buy back in, you might not be able to get shares. Okay, especially after do a shared count, they're going to be substantial. They say 40 million roughly. This is just a screaming top figure. Shares that are phantom shares, ghost shares, fraudulent shares. Okay, sorry about that. Whew, a little warm in here today. I'm working up a sweat. So we're going to actually bounce off this because we do cover every stock if you guys got other stuff coming in. I got somebody on Reddit here that's been blasting me. I just looked down. Sorry about that. I'm going to check out GME. Oh, wow. Okay, GME, ticker symbol GME, GameStop, 188.26. 188.792. We got a substantial amount of volume. I'm just going to blast through this because AMC is the main thing today between these two. Okay, we've overturned 163 or 0.16 or 0.63%. Today the volume is half a mil. Okay, that's pretty good for this stock. Okay, this thing's supposedly supposed to squeeze too. Okay, so we're just going to check out the pivot points. You guys did just smash through your resistance level 1. Okay, back to AMC. So I just had to cover that. So yeah, anyways, the portfolio on the left side's my portfolio, the Wolfpack's portfolio, because half of or a quarter of this is going to be donations, right? As we all know, we're going to do it all live. We're going to fill up my truck back of it full of food, and we're going to go down to the animal shelter, and we're going to dump her out for all the cats and dogs. Feed them at least for a week in my hometown. Okay. City. Sorry. I'm not that much of a hick. So we're at AMC Entertainment Holdings at $14.57. We are holding that. See, I told you about that $14.50. That is our new level of support. Okay. Right there. They call it resistance level, but it's been changed. It's now a support level. And because it's holding us up, right? So, yeah. So I'm glad everybody had a good weekend. If you did, I hope you did, right? And if you were on vacation, you came back to this, kudos. That's awesome, guys. You come back to this and watch this first thing in the morning. And everybody that's work, I know there's a lot of people at work that are watching this stream right now. Thanks for tuning in this morning, and I'm trying to keep it real as I can. Okay. We've already overturned over here, 20.30 million. That's frigging insane. Okay. 4.52% of the pot has been gone through. Okie doke. Yeah, we opened at $13.60 of almost a full dollar. That's huge. If you own 1,000 shares, that's $1,000 difference. Man, that's pretty good. Okay. Anybody else want me to cover anything else? Or are you guys okay with AMC? Because I'll do analysis on any stock out there. I'm just going to read some stuff up. I'm not going to take you away from this screen. I'm not that mean, unless you want me to. BlackBerry, ticker symbol BB, is trading at $10, 10.3%, 10.43%, and it is in the green at 1.26%. Good old Dogecoin. Dogecoin is at 0.3448 right now. It's in the green at 0.06%. It just reset itself because it was 0.33 2 o'clock this morning. Okay, we're having a little bit of a sell. It's good. It's good. It doesn't matter, okay? Because we'll have some consolidation. It'll drive it back up. Okay, we have so much volume coming in. There's no way that they can pull their shit on us today. Same as the other day. It bit them right in the butt. Right? They tried ladder attacks. There's a multiple amount of lawsuits going out right now. I found out that all the fine is for doing a ladder attack is $300 per go. That's it. They're actually reviewing this. I actually wrote a letter. I'll bring it up next podcast to the SEC board. And you should probably do it too. Maybe I'll put a link in the bottom of the next video about them to watch and to watch. It's Citadel that's doing it. What they're doing is they're doing some crazy, creepy shit to our stocks. Like they've been doing it for the beginning of time, ever since this thing went electronic. But yeah, they're just paying the fines. There's a substantial amount of fines in court. And they're backlogged. The courts are backlogged with this stuff down there in the New York area. Just so you know, they're getting themselves. They should be shut down until these court actions are dealt with. Okay, we're at $14.35 right now. I'm just gonna. We're at 5%. We're bouncing around at 4.75 to 5%. Just give me a second here. Weird. Weird stuff. Weird stuff, Mr. Cameron. Oh, there we go. Oh, somebody just asked me something. Patricia. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Okay, I'm gonna cover ticker symbol RIDE for this lady here. I'm just gonna do a quick read here. AMC Entertainment Holdings at $14.30. We are in the positive right now at 4.60. We're gonna jump over and check out a different ticker symbol because that's what we do. We'll do a fast read on it and we'll bounce right back here. I don't see it. Which one is it? You're going to have to be more clear on that. RIDE? There's nothing coming up. Is it Rider Investment? I'm not going to bounce off here and just hit me a chat and just say yes or no, or you have to give me the full thing. Okay, there's so many under that right now. Okay, I'm just going to stay on here. I'll check it out for you, but I just don't want to go off of here unless it's something we're checking out. Okay. Okay, $14.34. Here we go. Okay. This is where you want, this is the buy-in area right here. If you're going to buy, okay. What we're going to have it here is, we want some W's for him or double shoulders, head and shoulders. Okay. That helps us out. That's where the volume builds and it just whips and it just launches to the next level. Okay. So what we have right now is just give me a second here. Sorry guys, I'm going blind. The EMA is crossing with the MA, which is a signal of buy. It means that the buying power is overpowering the selling. Okay, those are just indicators, my friends. We're now at 5.11%. See what I said? This will give us a bit of a tailwind. Okay. Okay, I will check. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you. I will check that for you. But I'm using Webull. I don't know what platform, but they're all the same on the ticker symbol. But yeah, I just need the full name because there's like 3 things coming up under that name. I would do it just to check it out, but we got so many people watching this right now. And a lot of them are like hiding in bathrooms at work and watching. Sorry, it's the truth. They said I could share that, but I'm not going to mention names or anything. But a couple guys went, "Hey man, I sneak off to the Portacan there to watch your channel sometimes." I'm like, oh wow, okay, that's pretty dedicated. That is pretty dedicated. We've been on 27 minutes. It is 6:53. We haven't even hit half an hour yet. Okay, we're gonna do a ride here. Okay, Alpha, what do you think of LKCO? There you go. That's an easy one to find. Ooh, just let me have a look here because this could be a pump up here. So this is when market, no, that can't be right. It is when market opened. Holy crap. I don't know anything about this. Let's put it on a different chart here, guys. I will go back to AMC. I'm watching it out of the corner of my eye here. It's just, we do cover a lot of stuff on here. Oh, wow. Was there any news or anything that came out on this? No. Okay, we're going to put it back on the 1 minute here. Wow. Pharmaceutical company, I'm taking it. Okay, yeah, I'd watch this for a couple days before you buy. You do whatever you want, but if it was me, I would watch it for a couple days. I'm going to jump off of here right now and get back to AMC. I would watch it for a couple days because usually when something goes up, let's drastic, it usually goes down fast too. Okay. I'm all about helping you guys out. Okay. I don't like to see anybody screwed over. I did that with the lithium stock. Same thing, went up, bought it, and you can check it out on my portfolio on the left side. You guys are welcome to check that stuff out. I'm in the green straight across the board today. I'm making some cheddar. Right. I'm not going to bounce off here and start counting my money because we do that live. It's a tech. Oh, it's a tech. Okay, correction, tech. Okay, I did put it on my list. We're going to watch that. So if you log in tomorrow, We're gonna do some analysis on that again. We're gonna go back there. I'll check it out to number and run some signals on it, some indicators, and see what it says. I just don't have time to do it right now, but I don't mind checking the stocks for you guys. It's bouncing at 17% right now, though. Okay, AMC, ticker symbol, $14.21, 3.88%. In the green. There's nothing wrong with green, right? So, as I say that, the percentage said 420. It said 4.20, just as I said that. Wow, that's kind of a little crazy, eh? So I did this line here for people that are just dropping on right now or just getting on the line. This line here is just one of my lines. Just it was the 14. It was the line that we had there. We wanted to see it would smash through it and how long it took, and it blew me away. Blew my socks right off. So don't mind my sense of humor. It's pretty messed up. So we're at 5. Can't even talk. I need another sip of coffee before I do that. Okay, we've overturned 5.83%, and our volume is 26.25 million. This is awesome. Oh my God. Oh, there's the W. This is what I wanted. We need this to get that tailwind to bring us up. Okay, because we kept on testing. We've tested this level twice now. All right. Dog hair. So we've tested this level twice now, and it smashed us back down. Okay, which is cool because we're gonna bang through that today. We just need a little bit of a tailwind here. We got the volume. See those guys, the hedgies and all these big firms, if it gets over 14.50 today and locks in and stays in, they're screwed. They're so screwed. It doesn't even, oh man. Watch the crypto market after today because that's what they have in a crypto. Cryptos is not guarded by the government and stuff. In the States, Canada, it doesn't matter. In those two countries, at least, I don't cover the UK. I know we have a lot of subscribers in the UK. They love watching our stuff because they have their own market over there, and they can get inside information because of the time difference to what's happening. The smart investors will do that, okay? So, and don't mind me if I'm not looking at you constantly. I'm watching my scanners, and I gotta watch the stuff. Like we got Reddit, like I said, Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, all on the one side, and then I got two scanners in front of me, and then I got my software on this side. We're working on the 65-inch TV. It's sitting right there. I just got to wait for Amazon to deliver the brackets, and then we're going to have full news coverage in front of us, so I can predict the stocks before and give you guys right in. Right on. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. You're hitting my Gmail hard here today. Thank you. Then we can watch the news before it even comes out. So when the news comes out, the market usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes and the market will fluctuate. So what we're going to do is we're going to be ahead of everybody. Okay? So we're getting some consolidation here. We just had a crossover of the MA over the EMA, which is a sell signal. Don't sell. I'm just telling you that that's what the symbol means. And we want these lines to not pull apart too far. Okay? And a little bit of education here. This is called a spin top. Okay, when you have a body like this, equal candle lengths, candle wicks on each side. Okay, just so you know. A little bit of education. I like throwing it in there for you. This is called three crows. Okay, when you have a positive followed by three negatives, it's called three crows. That's all the education I'm throwing out there today for you guys. But there you go. There's some stock talk. It's all covered on my podcast. If you go into the playlist and you go into chart reading, we do have a substantial amount of symbols we've covered. It's really good stuff. It is 100% accurate. Okay, there's nothing wrong in there. It's been triple checked. Okay, we are getting a little bit of a sell-off here, which is we need to get the consolidation here a little bit. We went below my line, and we will get some volume and it'll drive it back up. It's all good. Okay, just give me a second here. You can watch the screen. I'm just going to do some number crunching here, and I'll get back to you in 2 seconds. I wish I was a genius where I could just look at stuff. Just give me a second here. I'm just going to figure some numbers out here. I need to get some, let's get some little bit of back music here for you guys. I just got to watch out for copy infringements, but I can get you some stuff that isn't. Okay, so yeah, look at these orders though. That's weird. Remember when I said the market? Remember when I said the first, when the market opens that it floods? Now we're getting the smaller numbers. Okay, this is where you want to buy. If you're going to buy in, if it was me, I can't tell you what to do. This is the area. I would actually wait. I like to buy, this is what I do. I like to buy probably about around 9:30, 10 o'clock, to be honest with you. And then all the shenanigans is over. Okay, and then you don't get stuck on a queue. You can just buy like that, right? It depends on what trading platform that you're using. Oh, I got dog hair this morning. I was playing with my puppy, little ACM. She just had heart surgery. If you're new to the channel, she just had heart surgery 4 days ago, and she pulled through. She had to get a heart plug, poor little thing. And yeah, she's doing really good. $10,000, but it's an animal, right? I'll do anything for an animal because they can't do it themselves, right? Right. So, anyways. We're at 28.44 million. Wow, she's just cranking. It has slowed down to about half. Okay, just so everybody's aware of that, the volume coming in. The orders, they're smaller orders, but they're starting to overpower us a little bit on the one side. There's a lot of people that are afraid of this stock. It's very volatile right now. Okay, but you all know that. That's old news. Old news, but just hold, because there's going to be a big payday. Okay, you've seen that when this thing goes crazy, when the volume comes in, right? That what it can do, that's what the squeeze is going to be looking like. Everybody's going to be like, holy crow, it's going to take a while to start computing, right? Ookie. Okay, well, this is doing its thing because there's nothing exciting. It slowed right down here. I am going to watch it. I'm going to jump. I'm going to have a look. I'm just having a look at the profile over here. Portfolio, I mean, sorry. Yeah, oh, Doji's doing a little bit of a sell. It's at minus 1.44 if you're into crypto. BlackBerry is down again. It's still in the green at 10.33. That stock that my friend just mentioned here about ticker symbol LKCO is gone down now from 22%. It's down to 16.82. So it's dipping a bit. And then we got good old AMC. I'm going to jump over to GME here for a bit. Okay. Just because they're pretty much in tandem. Ticker symbol GME Gamestop is 184.25 at 2.35%. Okay. Their orders are small coming in here. Okay. They're about equal. They're gonna get overpowered here in a bit. They got more selling pressure right now. This is a really expensive to buy in on this. That's why there's like 7, 8, like really expensive right now. But this has made multimillionaires over and over and over and over this stock. Okay, so it's turned over 1.2 million so far. Okay, that's the volume coming in. And that could be selling. That's just volume. Okay, but the whole kit and caboodle, the whole pot is turned over 1.79%. Okay, so that's actually pretty good for this stock. Okay, at this price. Okay. I'm not going to cover any other crypto. I don't really care for it. Everybody has their own thing. I just will not cover any Bloodcoin on this. If you don't know what Bloodcoin means, it's Chinese crypto. It's made with fossil fuels and stuff. I just don't support it. It's just, everybody has their own thing, right? I just don't cover it in the channel. If you own it and stuff like that, just stay with it and keep on doing your thing if you're making money. I don't condone anybody. I don't muscle anybody into buying and selling. That's not what this channel is about. It's about education to the max, okay? And if I'm wrong on something, steer me straight, okay? I love to hear correct knowledge, okay? I'm not one of these people that are going to block you off the channel, okay? So it's not going to happen. Everybody's too polite in the wolf pack anyways. You guys are awesome. Thanks for the memes and all the stuff that you send me on into my. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this. I'm just gonna cover the ticker price again, and then I'll do some chatting a bit. Ticker symbol AMC we're on right now at $14.12. We're at plus 3.00%. The reason why I'm broadcasting this is because we're going on. It sounds like we're going to be doing it into Spotify. So if you're on your way to work and stuff, you can always tune in and listen to this broadcast live. So I'm just working on it right now. It's not set in stone, but it's looking very, very good. So Spotify has already accepted us. I just got to work on the software of translating it over. Okay. I just found one company and it just, I don't like the quality. So we are not going to go with them. So yeah, you'll be able to listen to, and if you have low where you don't want to burn your data up, you can just log on and listen to the stock market live. It'll be like a live broadcast of news. We only usually broadcast in the morning for an hour, and that's all we do. And then I do podcasts throughout the day if something substantial news come out. I don't cover the stock all day. Okay. It's just the way it is, right? And I'm going to be going back to work, I think, in a couple of days. I'm just waiting for my union hall to call me. I'm an operator. I operate big machinery. But I will be doing a podcast in the morning before I go to work. Okay, it'll be just before the market opens. I won't be able to do into market open, though. But I will be covering afterwards. I will be covering news. That will never stop. The news will be... And the SOS, don't worry about that stuff. It'll all be taken care about with the SOS buy and sell. It's all taken care of. Like I have a phone with me, and I already have all the software is all ready to go. Okay, so it's just I have to push a button and it launches the video. The video's already made. Okay, it's just ready to launch. That's all I got to do is push one button, and all of you guys get it, and then you can watch it. It's gonna be deadly, 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 deadly. Okay, wow, we're at a steady. The numbers are coming up a bit here. The buys. Okay. These numbers are coming up from last time when we looked at it about 5 minutes ago. Yeah, it's already 7 after. You guys, wow, time flies, man. Wow. These were in the thousands. We're getting 2,000 and 3,000 now. Okay, so that's pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. The volume's starting to move again. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I've never loved a stock so much in my life. It just drives me to get on here and cover it. Like look at that candle. Look at that wick. Just punched right through that. Come on, follow. We need the body to follow. Come on. It's teasing us. There we go. It just bounced over to the next one. It's going to go. It's gonna go. Do. Okay. Oh, Lordstown Motors. Oh, okay. Dixon, Lordstown Motors. Oh yeah, you were on here. I think you were on here before. How's it going? I just didn't. It's the same person, Patricia. Yeah. Oh, it's Lounge Motors. That's what you're. Is that the ticker symbol? Is that what that means? Lordstown Motors, is that your handle after your name? Wow, there we go. We just punched through it. We're at 14.25 right now. And 17 cents. 17%. 4.17% at $14.25. So the reason why I mention it so many times and I'm reiterating it is because of the Spotify that's coming out, right? If I don't do that, you guys aren't going to know what I'm talking about. And if I'm annoying, just type me a camera and dumb it down a bit, okay, if it gets too annoying. Okay, so let's check out some indicators here. Let's jump on out of here. So we've bounced through. Oh, that's actually a good ride. Look at that. It's better than chunk, 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 up and down, up and down. This is a good, that's good. That's beautiful. That's that wave action I was telling you about. You want it to ride like that. If it goes up like too fast and it just like you have those jagged points, it jaggeds down. And sometimes it doesn't stop. It'll keep on going, right? Once it gets momentum on its way down, you got to have a lot of volume to stop it. Same as on the way up, right? So we are testing resistance level 1. We're about 3/4 the way up the chart right now. I'll pull that off there because it's that's a nice picture. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Like I said, you should all be proud of yourselves, right? Because I'm proud of you for holding. Seriously. To hold this, there's a lot of fear-mongering and stuff, a lot of abuse towards your brain. News articles coming on, oh, you shouldn't hold this volatile stock, all that crap. It plays on your head, okay? It does. Trust me. With all the stuff I get, all the emails and stuff, and it wears you down, right? That's what they want to do. They want you to sell. Don't. Well, you do whatever you want. I'm just saying, I'm not doing it. I can't tell you what to do. But you're smart enough to figure it out. You wouldn't be on the channel if you weren't. You wouldn't be in stocks if you weren't. Okay, here we go. So we broke through that again. Yeah, I'm going to put a new line here for you guys. I'm having issues with that friggin' thing. I don't know what's wrong with this stupid thing. Are you kidding me? We'll just try one of these. This is the wrong line thing. I'm not going to mess with it because I'll mess the whole screen up. I'll work on that after, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. It's maybe I got it locked out or something. We're not going to mess with it because if I start screwing around with that, it'll jam the whole screen up on me and then I'll have to shut the podcast. Well, I wouldn't shut the podcast down. I'd just have to use a different scanner. Except it's in hollow candles, which usually the hollow is good, the solid's not. It's just a lot of people don't understand it, and I don't want to start teaching right now in the middle of a market. So we're at $14.31. We're bouncing here. We do have a good amount of volume, a steady pace coming in right now. We do have a lot of support at about the $14.29, 28 cents. We do have a little bit there that'll help us stay at these levels. Okay. And we got the EMA and the MA riding side by side. Look at this. Buy. Consolidation. Buy, consolidation. The way it does this can actually put it very high in a slow pace. Remember that the turtle? He does win the race. You guys know that. He does. It's true. It's true. Here we go again. I'm going to blow that out. That might be hard. There. Is that easier for you guys to see? Look at that, eh? Kick over. Yeah, just keep on going up the ladder. We're climbing. Okay, 1430. Oh wow, we have a 207,000 shares waiting to be bought at 1430. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a ride today there, Wolfpack. Definitely. It's gonna be testing our nerves a bit. Just want to see what this volume on these little candlesticks are. Wow, they're not bad. They're almost a half a mil. That one's over half a mil. That one's a half a mil, just over two. These are good little chunks. That's why they're driving it up. Oh yeah, we're overpowering them. That's what it is. We're overpowering them slowly. I'm just going to put it on the 5-minute here. Oh, wow. Look at that, eh? That's crazy. That's friggin' crazy. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a bit here. There we go. We'll get some consolidation. We need a little bit more to get the tailwind here. Yeah, it's slowed down to half the volume, which is fine because the selling slowed down to half too. Okay? We're hitting the algorithm perfect right now. And it doesn't look like they're ladder attacking us because things would be going crazy right now. I think that there's a lot of eyes on this right now. right? Yeah, there we go. Come on. What time are we hitting here? We've got 10 more minutes, ladies and gentlemen, then I'm off the air. And I'm going to have another video out later on today. You'll get the notification. Obviously, if you're subscribed, if you want to subscribe, just hit the subscribe down button. If you already have, then thank you. But yeah, so what it is I'm going to put out, I'll be back here obviously tomorrow morning, all week at the same time. At the same time, I'll be sending out within about 15 minutes after this, I'll be sending out a notification podcast, and the same old routine. I try not to change it. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. It's just bouncing off that 5% right now. Come on. There we go. We did it. We got that 5% now. Okay. We need to get back up to that 1450 is our number for the day. Wolfpack. That's the number. That's the number. Did you want me to, anybody else on there, did you want me to cover any other stocks before we wrap it up here? I'm not wrapping up right away. We're still on for a little bit longer, but I'm just giving you guys notice, right? Because I don't like to just dump the podcast, right? While you guys are going out and get your coffee or something. You come back and he's already off the air. We usually do about an hour. Yesterday or the day before was really exciting. I stay on longer, right? But if it's steady like this, steady climb, I'm very confident that it's going to continue and we're going to be in the green today. Little bit by little bit until we have that share count, or possibly by Friday. I don't know. There's a lot in our favor. And there's 40 million short right now. It's crazy. It's crazy. And anything 40 million short synthetic shares, ghost shares. That is nuts. So we'll see what happens with that. Like that could change the ball game. I already know it will. Look at it. We're getting a steady climb here. Beautiful. There we go. 1440, 5.0%. Gonna check this again. Let's check the VWAP. VWAP is used for day paper trading usually. You can use it for this. You can use it for anything, but that's usually what it's for, is for volume on short trading, speed trading. We're above it though. That means that's the amount of volume that's come in. We're awesome. We are doing so good right now. Wow, very consistent. There we're climbing. We're doing a pretty good pace. So, I'm just gonna blast over to BlackBerry here for a second. Pull all this crap off here. Okay. I don't like all this junk on here. I should have done. There we go. There we go. Okay, I covered BlackBerry because it's undervalued stock. It is an awesome stock. They're in the cybersecurity. The Canadian government has used them for a lot of stuff right now. Volvo Group has bought them. They have they're going to be head to head with Tesla in the next bit. They have better software than Tesla in the without humans driving the car, machine driven. They have better software. Okay, as you know, Tesla has been banned in California for having crappy software. Check that out. That's a good one. Okay, I'm just gonna bounce here. I'm just gonna check. Now they're below the support level. I'm very, very bullish on this. I own shares in this at $14. I always share what I am. I'm very transparent. I'm taking a hit right now, but I never sell. Why would you sell when you lost money? That's the way it is. We're gonna cover GME. Sorry, been up since 2. We're at 187.17%. It's actually climbed. It's 4.04%. We were at 2% last time. So it's good. Good. There we go. They're having a bit of a go here too. So that isn't tangent with the other one. A lot of the institutions own both. Okay. We are actually getting a go on AMC right now. There we go. 14. Yes. We're going to pull the volume off here though, because I don't like that there. Okay, we're at $14.50. We are at 6.0%, 14%. I'm loving this stock. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's blow this up a bit for you guys that have smartphones so you can see that. I know that the screen over here, my platform that I use for broadcasting, I know it's a little bit hard to see. That's why I don't do 4 split screens. I do sometimes, but not when we got this excitement going on here. Okay, our volume is 37.52 million, 37.52 million, or 4 million. That's pretty good. We've only been not even an hour. It's only been 50 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, this could be a very good day. See, we're just wearing those hedgies out. They're so stressed they can't even concentrate on what they're doing. It's a beautiful thing. I love it. I love it. I love being part of this movement, and you should be part of it or proud of it too. Okay, because this is huge. This is going to be in the Guinness Book World of Records for stock trading. It already is. It's smashed some serious records already. This is the #1 held stock right now on the market. Okay, and the #1 shorted stock on the market. Okay, so put those two figures together. That's why it's going to the moon. Okay, I can't wait to, why? Not that I can't wait to get off here. I don't want to get off here, but I got to do some work. I got to check my bank account and all that stuff. I'm in the green right now, and I hope everybody is in the green. For all the guys in the green right now, hit the thumbs up. I'm just curious to how many of you are in the green. So hit that thumbs up. The guys that are on YouTube, of course, obviously Reddit and the other guys can't do that. But I'm just curious. Just we're at 11 right now. I'm just curious to how many guys are in the green. So 1450. Yes, we're banging on that number again. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's the number that we need to stay on. If we can get that and hold that and just keep on building on that, there's a lot of, that might even bankrupt a couple. Oh yeah, statistics. I'll give you some news while we're sitting here. I'm just going to read. We're at 6% right now. $14.50. We keep them banging around there. Okay, some factual information. Over 20, now it's 20, it used to be 20, but now it's 25% of all hedge funds that are involved in this have gone bankrupt. And then there's another, I don't know the percent on that, but there's a substantial amount that are in bankruptcy protection because of us. Thumbs up. That's awesome. So they're just dropping like flies. They're liquidating their houses, remortgaging. You don't even know the headache that we put them in, the pickle. You can't just pull out of a position once you're locked in there. You can't just, oh, I'm done. It doesn't work like that. Okay? You have to buy it out. Because it'll mess with your credit. These guys, these trading platforms will come right after you, right? And then you got the SEC after you. Not good. Because hedge funds, to be a hedge fund, you've got to make over $200,000 a year US. Minimal. That's minimal before you can call yourself a hedgie, right? Pretty much you're saying, I've screwed over $200,000 worth of money out of retail investors just to become a hedgie. Pretty bad, eh? Wow. So they get a pat on the back for screwing people. Okay, we've done it. We got above that line. We're bouncing around right at $14.52, 57 cents. Here we go. Wow. Somebody bought a whack of shares right now. Whoa. Okay, we're going to the moon right now, guys, a little bit. It's not a squeeze, okay? Just don't. We're at $14.72, 7.60%. We're climbing fast. 1474. Wow. Wow. It's trying to drive us down. We're at 1478. We're at 8%. 8.5%. 1485. 4. Wow. Nice. Nice. Wow. 1488. 8.85%. This is going to be a little bit harder for them to get us down now. Come on, stay up there. Lock in. Come on, bounce the candlestick over. Lock us. Oh, come on. Damn it. I think it's on a time frame. A certain amount of time goes by and it'll kick us over. And if I'm not correct on that, somebody please correct me. Just put something on the chat if I'm not right on that. I think it goes by time frame. I think if you're on the minute, every 30 seconds it kicks over. I think. I'm going to look into that. Okay, here we go. 1490. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Wolfpack. Yes, yes, yes. We're doing it, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. 1492 we hit. That's our level. We smashed that in the last bit. Look at the volume coming in now. Holy crow. People bought the dip. They bought the dip. That's what it was. That was a dip. People were waiting for that dip. So that was the dip. After this one, there's going to be a little bit of a go here. I think that was it. I think this is going to be the day. We're going to be giving her all day today. $14.88. Yes. 8.80%. And here we go. We just locked that in and we're on the next candlestick. Come on. Smash that. I got it set for the level right here. Come on. Okay. Wow. The volume 43.60 million. We're almost been open. The market's almost been open for an hour. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer for you guys. Okay. Usually I shut it down right now, like a minute ago. I'm going to stay on because this is a little bit rare. This amount of volume. We're having a very good day. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer for you guys. We got a substantial amount of people on YouTube and Reddit and Facebook. Oh, wow. There's a lot of people watching on Reddit right now. Okay. Thanks, guys. Okay, $14.80. We're going down a little bit. It's fine. We'll have some consolidation here, and then we're going to go again. That was that tailwind I was telling you guys about. Remember a little bit earlier, about 5 minutes ago? I was telling you about this consolidation, that we're going to get a tailwind. That's what and tailwind is not an actual stock term, okay? That's what I call it. You'll get to know my lingo here. I try not to do that. Okay, we had a crossover of the EMA over the MA, which is it's an indicator of a sell, okay? And the numbers are, the signals are far apart. We don't want that. It's not going to hurt us because we're going to get another tailwind, okay? This is, we need to have consolidation to do this, okay? So let's have a look at these numbers over here. We have turned over, going blind here, 10%. 10% so far. 10.14 of the whole company. And that is with ghost and synthetic shares too. It's probably higher than that. So half of that's crap, okay? Shares that are circulating. Family, 55. Right on. Cool, guys. Okay, here we go. We're going to bang it to the green. Whoa, those indicators went, wow. They went quite a bit apart. How much volume came out of there? Million. Okay, that's why. So we dropped 2.5 mil just right there. But 2.5 mil. So even it out. That buy-in pretty much was a sell. Or a ladder attack. They could have got some balls and did a ladder attack. Like I said, the fines are cheap. They're changing all that though. Here we go. A big flux of volume here. There could have been a jam up on one of the trading platforms too, where it wasn't selling and all of a sudden it caught up. Like it could have been a bandwidth problem and then all of a sudden it unloaded. That could be the issue too. That happens. Okay. I just don't mention companies on here, especially the one. I'll mention TD and all that stuff, but there's one company I do not mention the name on here. I hate them. And you know which one I'm talking about. It starts with an R. I will not mention the name on here because I'm not giving them any satisfaction of promotion in any way. $14.60. We're at 6.79%. Okay. I'm just going to have a look here so you guys can see what we're doing. Not bad. See, this is how this stock runs. Oh, look at GameStop. GameStop is at, I'm not going to jump off here. Actually, yeah, I will for a second. Just so you can see it on your charts. Okay, what the hell's going on here? Wow. Okay. So, anyways, GameStop, GME, we're at $190 straight across the board. 5.5%. Oh, it went up. I'm not going to keep on reading the numbers. It's at 5.72%. We're going to leave it at that. They actually turned over 2 million shares, which is awesome for this. They're actually, look at the sales. The sales are really trumping the other side now. Oh, they're moving through volume. Wow. Okay, that's a good sign. I'm going to go back over to AMC. And we are at 1470, 7.68%. We're doing really good. Really good. We smashed through that resistance line. That was an attempt. This is people that have just got on. I put this line here, this horizontal trend line. I put that there because I was wanting to see it. It really doesn't mean anything. This is just for the wolf pack, myself, to find out how long it would take us to smash that. It didn't take long. I think it was like, what was it, guys? 5 minutes in? And then it went back down and then it smashed through it within another 5 minutes. Is that 5 minutes? Yeah, 10 minutes. 7 minutes, actually. Wow, look at this go. Okay, guys. I'm going to stay on for another 5 minutes for you. Just because I don't want to kick all you guys to the curb. Not that I would. But I got some other work I got to do here. I'm just scanning over our portfolio here on the other side. Yeah, you're on the green. Hopefully you're all in the green on all your other stocks. I know lots of you are experienced traders and you have like a portfolio built. Congrats, because the market is doing good today. It's not bleeding, okay? It wasn't a bloodbath. The market has been doing very, very bad in the last couple of days, except AMC is been holding green constantly, right? Here we go. We're doing another hit. Okay, let's zoom this back up here so you guys can see that. We got a lot of volume coming in right now again. It just kicked in right there. There we go. 8%. 14.78. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Okay, guys. You keep it real, Wolfpack. I'm out of here, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. And you guys keep it real, okay? And I will, if things get really crazy, where obviously if this squeezes, I'm watching it like a hawk. If it squeezes, watch out for my SOS, okay? I'm going to keep on telling you guys that, okay? So if you get a thing from me, you don't have to watch every video and stuff, but when you get the SOS come up, that's the one. It's only going to be about 10 to 15 seconds long. I'm not going to do a bunch of jabbering on there because there's only one point that we need to get across. Okay? Because the squeeze can happen any day now. Okay? So yeah, power to you. Wolfpack, keep it real. And if you want to use my broker to buy some stock, you can use wealthsimple.com. It's a trading platform. They're my broker. You're welcome to use it. If you want to use the voucher down below, you got to put $100 or more in to activate it. And you can get yourself $10 free Canadian stock, or you can get yourself, you can save it or buy stock. I personally, if it was me, I'd buy stock because you can make more money. But there you go. And yeah, there's some other links down there. And enjoy yourself today. Have a great day. Over and out.